Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Tiff. Thank you so much for tuning back into my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. It's free, don't cost you nothing. Go ahead and do that right now. So if you're not new to my channel, you already know what time it is. If your girl comes on camera looking regular like this, we're about to get into a hair video. Clearly, we're about to get into a hair video. I'm actually going to do a tutorial today on the goddess braids, whatever. I'm gonna have the correct name. And I'm gonna crochet my hair. I got this idea from Jai Marie. I'm gonna go ahead and list her her original video below. She used the same hair but in a 14-inch bob, and I was gonna get that because I thought it was cute, but I'm like, it's about Sunday summertime, so I gotta get the long one. So I got the 20-inch goddess braids. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I got. So I ordered the 20-inch crochet box braids 8-pack bohemian box braid curly ends. So that is what I ordered. It was $39.69 for the full 8 packs, and each pack comes with 16 strands of hair. And real quick, I'm probably gonna do a voiceover because my background is extremely loud. My AC unit is on, the kids are outside playing in the water. It's like 90 degrees today, so excuse that background. But just to show you guys, the hair comes like this. It's already looped, and it is the goddess braid. So you see the strand of hair, and then it's the curly piece that is left out. So yeah, it's 16 in a pack, and they send you 8 packs. So I think that this should be more than enough hair for the look that I'm going for. I had these braids before, like actually went and got goddess braids, and they were cute, but I wound up cutting all the curly pieces off like after like a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks, because it just got so frizzy. So I'm hoping I don't have to do the same, but if I do, I don't really care, because when I went and got them professionally done, I paid like $200 versus now your girl paying 40 bucks. So I'm gonna put these in my hair. My braid pattern is really simple. My cousin just did my braids. And what I wanted to do is so many methods on here. So let me just say that first. There are so many methods on here on how to do this. And I decided to go with the individual parts just for like the front section of my hair, so that it looks like I really have individual box braids. I've seen the full cornrows and it still looks beautiful, but I wanted to give it like the illusion that I really have full box braids throughout my whole head when I don't. So this is the pattern. She just squared it off, or parted it into the little box. She took that piece of hair, braided it, and then connected it to the next space that she sectioned off and braided it back, and it's just coming back into ponytails. It's just coming straight back into cornrows, and I had her connect everything, and I'm going to take this and loop it into here. So that is what my back is looking like. I'm gonna go ahead and do a couple of these on camera for you guys if you're, not sure or familiar with the process, and then I'm gonna, speed it up and come back and show y'all how I look when I'm really put together. Let's go. Alright, so it was really hard doing this on camera, but just to show you guys, it is so simple. You simply slide your hook through your hair, you grab the braid, and then you slide the hook through the opening of the braid, and you just grip the other part of the braid and pull it back through. When I first started doing it, I was gripping it too far down where the hanging little curly piece of hair is at. You don't have to do that. Just slide it through and then grip the other part of the braid and pull it right through.
Goes on and on and on. You give all day.
So I'm gonna run that back. You're gonna slide your crochet needle through your hair. You're going to run that needle through the opening, through that loop that's in the braid, and you're going to hook it onto the other part of your braid. Then you'll close that needle and pull it right back through that loop. Trust me, y'all, when I say once I got my mojo, once I got the hang of this, these were going so quickly, it literally is going to fly by.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me to love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny, I got a crush on you, that's true indeed. And I'm digging you, you make me believe.
Alright guys, so this is the completed look. Sorry I did not really show you guys a lot of me installing this, because this was actually a little bit harder to install while on camera. Like, it's not hard to install, but looking in the lens, because my setup right now is a mess. I didn't have a mirror behind the camera, so it's super simple to install. But you guys pretty much, I hope, got the picture with the couple braids that I showed you. But yeah, this is the finished look, and you know, I'm gonna just say your girl did her shit. Your girl did her shit. This is 20 inches of the Goddess braids. It was 8 packs, 16 braids a pack. I still have a full 2 packs that I have not opened, and I have about a half a pack left. So I can definitely go back in and fill in some sparse areas and make it fuller if I want. So I think a full 6 packs would do the job. I don't really think you would need 8 unless you have a bigger head. You know, I don't know if, or in case you do smaller parts. This is my first time ever installing the Goddess box braids or Goddess braids, and I'm loving it. So I know I'm going to order me another pack so that I can do this again. Probably sometime late June or early July. I'll definitely do this look again. And it's like everything is always trial and error, so I know that I want to make my parts a little bit smaller in the front. Like, I'll definitely do my parts a little bit smaller just for this section right here. But overall, I love it. It's not heavy on my head at all. It doesn't like feel like it's super heavy or a lot of weight. Definitely can wear this up, and that's the reason why I wanted to do the parting in the front like I did, because I want to give the illusion that I got box braids throughout my whole head when I really don't, when I really have cornrows in the back. But I'm loving it. So what do you guys think? Do you like this look? It took me about an hour and a half from start to finish to install it. Like I said, at first it was a little trickier because I'm trying to look in the camera and do it, but it's super simple. Literally just loop it through. And what I did is I used the latch hook to grab. After I pulled it through, I slid the crochet needle all the way through the loop, and then I picked up the other part of the hair to pull it back through the loop and tighten it, and that made it so much easier. Super easy, like dead super easy. So about an hour and a half for installation, and yeah, this is the completed look. So I'll probably come back and let you guys know how I'm liking this hair in about 2 or 3 weeks, maybe, I don't know. But as of right now, I like it. Everything is basically trial and error. This is my first time doing these crochets, and this is my first time doing this braid pattern. So I think I have 5 braids in the back, but I have 8 sections up front. I think next time I'll have 8 sections in the back as well, just to keep the braids closer together, so that it's not too much space or gap. But either way, that's it. Hope you guys like this video. Again, if you are new to the family and you're not subscribed, please go ahead and like and subscribe, and feel free to share this video, baby. This was a $40 hairdo. $40, baby, and watch it last me a good 3-4 weeks. Alright, so I'll see you guys in the next video.